You want to start doing cardio workouts, but don't know where to begin? Well, in this video, we have put together the ultimate beginner's guide to cardio workouts that will help you lose weight and get fit easily. So let's jump right into it. What is cardio? But before getting into cardio exercises, we need to know what cardio actually means. The word cardio comes from the Latin word for heart, which is core. And any type of exercise that increases your heart rate is a cardio workout. Cardio workouts are also known as aerobic workouts or endurance exercises. These types of exercises can help improve your overall health and fitness level by strengthening your heart and lungs. This means that they can help you deliver oxygen to your muscles more efficiently while exercising. Why do cardio? There are many reasons why people choose to do cardio exercises. Some people do it to improve their overall health and fitness levels, while others do it to lose weight or reduce body fat. Cardio can also be done to increase endurance and stamina so you can perform better in other types of workouts like strength training. It's also great for improving mental health, reducing stress, and improving sleep quality. If you want to improve your overall health and fitness, then adding cardio to your workout routine is a great place to start. Benefits of cardio. Before starting any new workout routine, it's important to understand the potential benefits and risks involved. Here are some of the many benefits of incorporating cardio into your workout routine. Improves heart health, helps with weight loss, increases stamina and endurance, improves mental health, reduces risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure, improves sleep quality, boosts immune system, improves balance and coordination. Now that you're aware of all the benefits of cardio, let's look at some of the best exercises you can start doing today. Best cardio exercises for beginners. When it comes to cardio workouts, there are a variety of different exercises that you can do. Here are some of the best options for beginners. Brisk walking, jogging, running, cycling, swimming, elliptical training, rowing, jumping rope, dance fitness, video games, hiking, rock climbing, playing sports such as basketball or soccer, using exercise bike or treadmill, taking fitness classes such as Zumba or spin. No matter which cardio exercises you choose to do, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. How to start doing cardio? If you're a beginner, the best way to start doing cardio is to begin with low-intensity exercises and gradually work your way up. Here are some tips to help you get started. Choose an activity that you enjoy. It's important to find an activity that you like because you'll be more likely to stick with it. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with 10 minutes per day and gradually increase the amount of time you spend working out each day. Listen to your body. Take rest days when needed and don't push yourself too hard. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Warm up before each workout and cool down afterwards. This will help prevent injuries. Make it social. Invite a friend to join you in your workouts. This can help keep you accountable and motivated. Track your progress. This can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. This can help keep you motivated and make working out more fun. How often should you do cardio? The American Heart Association recommends that adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio exercise per week. However, it's important to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. If you're a beginner, start with 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercise most days of the week. Gradually increase the amount of time you spend working out each day. How long should your cardio session last? The length of your cardio session will depend on your fitness level and the intensity of the workout. Here are some general guidelines. Low-intensity cardio, such as walking, should last at least 30 minutes. Moderate intensity cardio, such as jogging or cycling, should last at least 20 minutes. Vigorous intensity cardio, such as running or swimming laps, should last at least 10 minutes. What is the best time of day to do cardio? The best time of day to do cardio is when you have the most energy and are most likely to stick to your workout routine. Some people prefer to work out in the morning, while others prefer to work out at night. Experiment to find what works best for you. How to make cardio more fun. Cardio doesn't have to be boring. Here are some tips to make it more fun. Put on your favorite music, work out with a friend or family member, join a fitness class. Vary your workouts so you don't get bored, Reward yourself for reaching milestones. How to prevent injuries. When doing cardio, it's important to take precautions to prevent injuries. Here are some tips. Warm up before each workout and cool down afterwards. This will help prepare your body for exercise and reduce the risk of injury. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Overtraining can lead to injuries, so it's important to take rest days when needed. Listen to your body and stop if you experience pain. Don't push yourself too hard. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes. This will help reduce the risk of foot and ankle injuries. Cardio mistakes to avoid. Here are some common cardio mistakes to avoid. Not warming up or cooling down properly. Overtraining, not getting enough rest. Pushing yourself too hard. Not staying hydrated. Wearing uncomfortable shoes. Not varying your workouts. When is it time to see a doctor? If you experience any pain or discomfort while doing cardio, it's important to see a doctor. Additionally, if you have any underlying health conditions, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting a new cardio workout routine. In conclusion, adding cardio to your workout routine is a great way to improve your overall health and fitness. Whether you choose to brisk walk, jog, cycle, or swim, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. With the right mindset and approach, you can make cardio a fun and enjoyable part of your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. We'd appreciate it if you could leave a comment below with any questions or comments you may have. Thank you for watching.